Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox and review ND Nice. It's a budget IEM priced at 50 US dollar. Its original price is 50 US dollar, but on discount you can get it in $26 just. So let's unbox it and then I'll review it. So I have always liked ND unboxings because it's very minimalistic and like easy to unbox. So I like it. You get one manual and some air tips which are pretty average, but it would work just fine in my opinion. And you get a pouch that's also very nice to see. And here are our cables. Looks very good, and you get a microphone in it as well. And here are our IEMs, fully black, and they have a glossy finish. And the style is, I call it like semi-open radio type of style. And these kind of styles are somehow popular in IM, in hi-fi community, I think so. So design is, I think, pretty minimalistic, but it's attractive at the same time as well. It's a good looking IM. Now let's test it and then I'll come back with my honest opinion and experience. Hi friends, welcome to my review section. I am reviewing it after 1 week of use. Let's get it done quickly as possible. Now let's start with its fit and comfort level. So fit and comfort wise both are very good, no problems at all. Now let's talk about its sound quality. Before discussing the sound quality, I really want to tell you these two things first. The first thing is that there is absolutely no reference for sound quality in terms of overall performance. It's entirely a matter of personal taste and preferences. And the second point is that every person has their own preference for what good the sound quality is. So you must keep these two things in your mind. But still, there are some common terms that we all agree on, and that's what we talk about. The main points, focus on main points without getting too much into it and technicalities, etc. The great explanation is necessary very few times, not every time. Now, if I give you the result of ND Nice IEM, it's a balanced IEM. It's neutral. Bass is neutral, mids are neutral, treble is neutral. They may be slightly up and down, but there is not much of a difference between them. Nothing is overpowering the other, but still the mids are on second place if I had to give them a number. And similarly, it also depends on your source, which source you are using to power this IEM. By the way, it doesn't need to be powered at all. It's a high volume IEM by itself. But since most of the phones are USB-C, the dongles you use also needs to be a balanced one, because with different power source you may see a slight increase in treble. So this is its overall sound quality performance, and believe me, I really enjoyed it. It is tasteful in its sound quality. It will provide you with the satisfaction you need in music and vocals overall. So before this I tried ND001 IM, but it wasn't that good and I couldn't approve it. But I like ND Nice and its performance, and that's why I am approving it for you. You will like it. It's a very good budget IM. That's it. I hope you guys will like my short reviews. Thank you for watching my video. Be happy, be in peace. Goodbye.